One touch cooking is the first step to looking like you know what you're doing. Let's give it a try. One touch cooking is the first step to looking like you know what you're doing. Let's give it a try.
Welcome back. We're cooking again. That's what we do here. Why else would I be here? Making some pasta today, and we're gonna do it a fun, interesting, different way than I normally make pasta. Well, not the way I normally make pasta, but probably the way you normally make pasta. So hopefully this is fun and interesting and a little bit different. First things first, but the way we always roll, onions and bacon in this pan, nice and warm. We're boiling some water in the background. Let's get it going. Onion. On. Not quite boiled. Leave those in the pan for a bit. You cook them up however much you like them, and the crispier you want them, the more you leave them just lying there. If you don't want them crispy, if you want them cooked and still nice and soft, you keep them moving around in the pan, but I want to crisp them up a bit, so they're going to just sit there and wait. So I want to talk about eggs, because they're amazing. One of the most versatile foods out there. You can kind of slap it in the pan, sculpt it however you want it. You can put it in boiling water. You can put it... You can put it in between two slices of bread, because you can put anything between two slices of bread and I'll be a fan. But this is great because right at the end of this meal you throw an egg on. It gives that... It kind of creates a sauce for you, which is interesting in itself. So this is kind of, I guess, a sauceless eggy pasta. We'll name the video that. That's enough of that. In the pasta goes. Gotta finish off everything because I'm gonna put a video out. Probably it's already been out actually, now that I think about it. Gotta move this whole kitchen operation somewhere else. We're moving houses. Can't stay in the current city I'm in right now for any longer. So unfortunately I've gotta finish up all my food as fast as I can. So if you don't notice, give me a little pat on the back saying, good job, I didn't even notice you were scrambling to just get rid of food. Thought you were just cooking like you casually always do. Little do you know. Gotta get it all out of there. Cook it all. Oop. Let that sink in. We're gonna chop up some more stuff. Gotta get rid of these veggies. Love me some broccoli. And I'm going to chop my pepper up in advance here too, just because I got a little bit of time. All chopped. Let's get all this. Make sure that pasta gets actually in the water. Let's give these guys a stir, because they're getting pretty crispy. Just what I ordered. Not going to call myself a doctor, because that would be lying. Almost lost some peps. We're rocking, we're rolling. Peppers in the pan. also got some pickled peppers. Gonna make the trip. Love throwing these in the pan. They just smell so good. Broccoli goes in. Now I rinse up. Get a taster tester noodle. Not quite, but getting close. And a thing you can do here is when you're going to transfer the noodles into the pan, you can get away with cooking them just a little bit more in the pan. So if they're not quite finished yet, you can sneak them in anyways and just finish cooking them in a pan. Really, the trick with this channel is to show you that you can kind of cook anything any way you want. So, unknowingly, I just decided to make the meal that's most appropriate. So, try it out. It's real fun. And boom, into the pan. Eggs on top. Salt. Whenever I put eggs in anything, salt and pepper come next. It's just a rule of thumb at this point. A little heavy on the pepper there. Gotta get some stir in. Hopefully that stir was quick and entertaining. Might have done some fun stuff. We'll see. Anyways, that's the whole meal. Kill it. Plate it. Ooh, that's a lot of pasta for me. Woohoo! Good thing I'm trying to get rid of food. I like adding this nice, cheap, and easy Parmesan. Following it up. A little bit of basil. Have this tiny little plant that unfortunately I'm not even going to harvest correctly. I'm just going to really go to town on him because I'm leaving him behind and he's going to dry out and nobody's going to eat him. So I feel bad, but can't even give him hope right now. Just got to crush him. Trick when it comes to spices, I've been a fool and I've been trying to cut them with a knife. And these fresh herbs, you just bunch them right up. Get your scissors and you just slice them right like that. Gives you that little bit of greenery on top. And there you have it. Today's the day. Eggy pasta. Woo! No sauce, no problem. Try it out. Oh!
Looking like you